All right, we're locked in today. Today we are locked in. I just burned my tongue. The bias isn't the most clear. What is that? How can they be so out of sync? Huh? Like the draw is lower, maybe towards this imbalance. This low that was put in at 6 a.m. I think I'm gonna stick with my bearish bias for the week. It's expecting this weekly candle to flip. What's up, Alphin? I think I'm gonna stick with my bearish bias. Look for shorts. Um, Pre-market move. ES is so much weaker. Let's look at the dollar index. Yeah. Dollar index looks like it has room for lower. My bias on GBP was wrong, but on Euro it was right. It's so weird. Look at the hourly on dollar. Looks like it's in a buy model. It has room for higher. The question is how high into the daily fair value gap does it dig? It's already wicking. I think I'm gonna stick to my bullish bias. I mean, this is all-time high right here. So yeah, that's where we're at. So my bias is bearish. We tapped in to a key level. We're above midnight opening, so we need a reversal. Liquidity has been swept. All the parts of my bias, all the parts of my model have been hit for shorts. So let's see if we can use this order block. If we show displacement away from this order block, Euro has been swept. So let's see. Above midnight opening. Alternatively, I'm wrong and we just keep making higher highs, and highs, more highs, keep going higher. Just keep going higher. The 1 hour order block is in line with the 1 hour fair value, the 15-minute fair value gap. So we're looking for a reversal. That is atrocious. But honestly, if we're expecting a reversal, this fair value gap, we have SMT already. Could be right here, right? Inside the hourly order block. Honestly, I know it's 926, but I am interested in shorting this, to be honest. 5 points. Like this is beautiful. It's gonna be too late. We didn't get the inversion. I'm gonna have to trade the actual. Okay, let's wait. We didn't get the inversion, so. But this is a beautiful setup. I wish it was 930. It would give me more, make me more inclined to take it. Let's see if we can get a breaker in here, right? On ES, high, low, higher, high. If we get a lower low. Yeah. With 5 handled risk, I'm gonna be trading the actual NAS. See if we can get this fill. We put on the markings here. So we have all-time high. We have ERL taken. We have the 1 hour order block. All-time high. Go to the 1 minute time frame. Oops. H1OB. ERL taken. We just got filled. Yeah, we got instantly stopped. Okay, that's okay. Let's wait for a second setup here. So we got stopped out by that volatility. The SMT still holds. So honestly, I'm gonna sell. So let's look at this candle's close. It's a lot of volatility I was not expecting. The SMT still holds, so it was a bad stop loss placement there. I'm gonna sell. Oh, dude, what is this volatility? What is this? What is this? It never moves like this. Well, lesson learned. Like this candle has I've never seen something like this. So not on a day like this, expecting low volatility. Honestly, I'm holy shit. All right, let's see if we take out all-time highs at this point. I'm also looking at this high to frame a reversal. I won't be shorting above all-time high, but we just fell short right there. ES is showing like really strong weakness. So I thought the aggressive move was gonna happen lower. So the markets could sync up. But let's see, we just took ERL. If we can get a close below this candle, I'd look for shorts. Like order block, if this becomes an order block. ES is still really, really behind. Okay. We're at high of day. At this point, if we don't take all-time high, this doesn't make sense. We're gonna have Big SMTs at the high. All right, all-time high was just taken. Shorting just got a little bit worse, but I'm expecting a Wednesday reversal, so let's see what we get. We could wait for ES to come into here. All right, if ES comes into there, I could look to short there as well, both assets. That T really just made my room a whole lot hotter. Hot. It's really hot in here, man. Hot. All right, let's see. Kind of interested in this if it forms. I think I'm gonna be more patient though. It is what I wanted. It is a decent, strong. It's not the strongest displacement, honestly. Why is it? Oh my god! I'm on a 15-minute time frame here. Yeah, it didn't form, so we're gonna wait more. Even ES on the 5-minute looks ugly. Yeah, there's no chain of stain delivery there. It is there though. I don't like how this formed, so I'm not gonna take this. Let's be more patient. Let's see if ES wants to. Come up into here. The markets are so out of sync that it's not a high probability condition to be trading in. I was gonna short. Tempting. I don't want to risk that much. The wicks are just too weak for me. I'm gonna wait longer. Let's hop on to MNQ. So the wicks are there. This is the order block. It just tapped in. Let's see if it would have played out. Looks like it's playing out so far. Let's see. Maybe I'll look for a re-entry here. Yeah, looks like it played out really nice. Won't even let me do 4. I didn't trust my trade. And there it goes. That hurts. What happens? It's not bad. I took one small loss, and then I wanted to take this trade right here. I didn't take it, and now it looks like it's playing out. Um, so I'm gonna look to take this. I'll look to take this potential continuation, but honestly, it's not as. I literally marked it out. I marked out the order block and everything. This trade is just not as good. Like, I can't even find the right RR. Right, and we're already rejecting off this low. I can't take a short now. Never took the low. I gotta be. I hope it gives a re-entry. I had an order here. We'll see. If it shows that it's respecting the fair value gap, I'll just sell them. I'll sell market. This would have been my re-entry. Just to take profit doesn't make sense. 1.7 R. I don't like that. Looks like it's gonna play out though. I got destroyed by the 930 volatility. Yeah, I might have missed it, but are we expecting a full reversal here? Honestly, I am. This low is in question for me for sure. It is kind of rejecting. I might take this. If we let's see how we close this candle. There's no entry on the 2-minute. I'll be patient. I'm gonna be patient. I can't force my next one. Gotta clear my mind. Clear my mind and just look for a good trade. All right, let's see how this fair value gap holds. I was also interested in shorting ES over here. Like this or something. Target those equal lows. I might just wait for that. The only problem is its all-time highs is right there. Like literally just entering on the 15-minute. Let's wait for the best trade. Good call. Like these equal lows on ES are just a little too suspect for me. I feel like they're gonna get taken out. Probably would have got stopped. Out of no partial. So the trade I wanted would have been this. I would have wanted these equal lows. They never got taken. If we get an inversion here, maybe I'll go back and target those equal lows. But it doesn't look like we're gonna get an inversion. Let's see. If we get the inversion, then I'll take it because it's OTE inversion. Just a quick scalp. If we inverse this, or if we close it up, something like this, it's not bad at all. All right, we just tapped into OTE. If we close the if it forms a fair value gap inverses, I'll probably go for it. As for ES, I like this setup on ES. On the 5-minute, it looked a lot better. 2.75, 2 times 50. Yeah, I'll put a full contract on this. No inversion. Well, no, not yet at least. I think there's room for higher because ES wants to get into here, right? I think ES wants to make that. It could be a great trade. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you always supporting me, man. Appreciate you. Now that we have this order block forming, I don't know if this trade will form. So let's be patient into here, right? This also might present at 950, so these equal lows just a little too nice for me. Like we came in just to put that low, didn't even take out sell side. We're coming back up. We're in OTE, but like I said, there's no sign that it might go lower unless it inverses this. It could have just been giving a re-entry for longs there. Let's see, we might get the re-inverse. We never closed above that candle's high. Like I said, this RR is not the best. It would have to be like this or something. If it inverses, I'd take a trade like this. We're already going so high though. I feel like at this point, all-time high is gonna get taken again. The S&P at the high still holds, right? ES is not near all-time highs at all. I like this trade on ES. I want to do two cons. It's a little bit too much risk for me. Unfortunately, I can't take that. I'm going to keep my limit order here. It's pretty small risk, 137. If I lose, I live to survive another day. $9.50 in 2 minutes. Let's see if ES wants to push up here into this imbalance. It's already moved so high. Just slowly going higher and higher. It might only come up to here. Yeah, that's interesting. So what I'll do is I'm gonna mark out this high. And see if we give a setup after taking this high out, I might look to short from there. Let me just go to the 5 minute. This is awful. Let's see. Let's wait. See if it takes up the high. 950 is approaching here. Just this. All right, taking all-time highs, taking the high on the 1 hour on ES. Let's see how we move forward. That's gonna be a beautiful entry. Thank you, bro. Poking the high right now. All right, we're at the macro time now. Let's see if we can get a delivery here. If I was in longs, this would be my TP. Didn't give an entry here though. So yes, getting closer and closer to the high. As soon as it takes a high, I'll drop down to the 1 minute. I'll keep my limit here, but if we get a setup after taking this high, which is inside the 1 hour fair value gap, I'll be interested in shorting that too. All right, looks like about the same time we take all-time high on NASDAQ, we're gonna take this high. Also slightly rejecting. See if ES can let's do this. I don't like this box. All right, all-time high taken again. I don't like how like I'm gonna delete this order because I need to see how it reacts, right? I can't just I'm not just gonna short this for value gap. But logical place to take profit would be right here. I like this, to be honest. I like this. Right, let's see if we can take the high. We're just falling short of it. We have the 1015 FEG. All-time highs marked out. Big rejection on NQ right there. If ES could just go a little bit higher. Yeah, I think we'll wait for a confirmation on the lower time frame. No, man, you get, yeah. Who are you, bro? Yeah, I'm a, if I had money, bro, I would hire you, but I got no money right now, so I can't hire you. But I like the things that you say. It's good shit. It's just good. So if we get a close below here, that's a pretty strong order block. The only thing is, I feel like ES has a little room to go higher. Oh, that would be really, really good. Just a nice, I mean, maybe I'm kind of gambling with these shorts, but if we get a strong close below, I'm gonna go for it. And I'm happy putting my risk on for that trade. Let's go back to MNQ. Yeah, bro, you're thinking exactly like me. We didn't get a strong close below. We did tap into the fair value gap. Let's see if it inverses. No, I'm not gonna take this trade, but let's see. That's a weak candle, so had it closed below these candles, then I would have went for it. Let's see. ES is just like right there. Right, we're waiting for a potential setup on ES. But nothing is forming. It's not taking the high. It hasn't hit my model criteria. Macros in play. I wonder if this short plays out. Doesn't look like it right now. Might make another high. At this point, I need like a lower low. Yeah, it's better we wait. Yeah. I need a lower low. High, low, high, high, lower, low. And then if you break below this, at that point, like you're expecting lows to get taken out. Like a full weekly reversal. I'm basically anticipating a weekly reversal at this point. Which is hard to time. Let's see if we can turn the continuation. Yeah, we could always do that. Enter off the low. The thing is, I don't know if a full weekly reversal is gonna happen. Like we could just continuously go higher, higher, just keep taking all time high, just keep trending, and it's like impossible, not impossible. The only time I could probably confirm the weekly reversal is like if we really start to take out lows, like previous day's low. We had a huge wick yesterday. All time high sucks. It's hard. We inversed this, created another one. At this point, you can expect that high to get taken, which is good because now ES hopefully can follow and go higher. ES is just so weak. And I can't lie, like taking the shorts now, it feels like it's low resistance. I mean, high resistance liquidity. See, we're still closing below. We're still below the previous all-time high on the hourly. We're still trading below. I don't know if that matters. Bro, we respected the bearish fair value gap really nicely. We respected that really nicely. Still haven't tapped in on ES. Like it's just right hovering this. There won't be any liquidity on top, and that it doesn't fit in right to me too. Yeah, like up here, you mean? And another thing, like this weekly candle, like, oh, it's already so bullish, but I feel like we reversed this weekly candle, right? I feel like we go back below the weekly open, and this candle flips with a one-day reversal. That's what I was anticipating, but I could be wrong. Out in my room, man. If ES could just, like, it's so slow. ES is like, let's look at the dollar. Does it have, looks like it's going lower, but you're right, man. I need to catch the best move. I can't afford it. Oh, we ticked into the buy stop. There it is. Okay, so we delivered. We took out the high there. This is probably, like, right now it's going to be like the last time. Let's see if we can tap into the fair value gap as well. Just because if it does, then there's no need to go higher. But it is a breakaway gap, so I don't necessarily expect it to. Let's see. If we reject lower and we get a setup off this low, I'll take it. I'm happy with that. Because we are in the hourly fair value gap right now on ES. So I am happy with that. Just about rejecting the 50% of that level. Nice wick on E and ES, NQ. If we get the setup on NQ, I'll take it too. It looks like it might form here. We still have 10 minutes left in the macro. Oh, there was 10 a.m. news, wasn't there? Yeah, random orange folder or something. So let's see. There is SMT there in the one. Oh no, there isn't, but it's all the way. Okay, I'm tripping. Let's see if we get a break below this low with a nice displacement fair value gap. I'll take it. This is a rejection block. I'm just reading 1 minute market structure here, but there's nothing to read because there's nothing above. Okay, ES is kind of displacing. Let's see if we can get a fair value gap formed. All right, and I would honestly probably hold this for these lows. So these lows are just too clean. They're too clean of lows. All right, ES has been showing weakness all day. The only thing that scares me is this 15-minute fair value gap. So if we're gonna go up in there, I hope we do it now, not before it breaks structure. Because then it could go up there, tap in. But NQ doesn't have a reason to go higher, so let's see. Looks like it might form here. Something like this. I mean, that stop loss is ridiculous. But I guess I would kind of have to. 1.57 risk. Because that stupid freaking wick. I'll probably just put it at the body. Body high. Or like, I'll put it at this candle's high that we took. We shouldn't trade back up there. Wait, that's my entry. What am I doing? Anyway, or just put it at the fair value gap high. This candle. 7 points if it forms. My entry would be like somewhere here though. All I'm asking for is a 20-point move. All right. So if we could, man, it's awesome to know what you want to see. That somebody else would be a great trade if it displays it down. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for, man. You know what, bro? You better come to all my streams, bro, because you're like making sure that I stick to my model. I like it. You're like saying the things that I need to hear, you know? Good. Good stuff. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep losing. I've been working on something though, and I think it's really gonna help my trading. And I will show, I'll send it to you. I'm not gonna send it to everyone, but I am gonna send it to you. I think you have me on Discord. I'm gonna send it to you. I think you're gonna like it too. I'm not gonna send it to everyone just yet. I'm working on it. I'm almost done. I think it'll help my trading a lot. It's okay to lose. No, I feel you, bro. It's just feels like all I do is lose nowadays. I need to win. Just for my confidence. Just so I know that what I'm doing is working. Like I know it works because I've been on win streaks. I read price very accurately. I would say I read price very accurately. So just let me get a win. Just give me one. All right, this displacement is higher. It's not the worst because we still have this fair value gap that I initially wanted it to go into. But again, we're just waiting for a strong displacement lower. I guess that's back above that high. If we're gonna go this high, at this point, just get into the fair value gap. If we get an SMT, that's a bonus. We failed to take the high. So let's see. Now these lows look so good. If they displace below, we're just reading this in 1 minute market structure, but the question is, does ES also come for all-time highs? That's a pretty large range for it to go to. I lied, it's 4 points. Why does it look like it's so much? It's literally just 4 points. Okay. That's a pretty strong displacement. The RR on this trade is just not it. And it's wicking from this fair value gap. I think I'm more interested in ES here, to be honest, because we could take this trade instead. Stop loss like that. That wick is just scaring me. This is optional. Like you can maybe treat that as a change of state delivery and trade it. There's no SMT. ES has got a little fair value gap. If ES can just displace lower from here. If ES could just displace lower from right here. I like the trade on ES a lot more because the equal lows are very, very clean on ES. And it's been weaker. ES is so slow though. If this candle closes bearish, I might consider it. Like it's just not moving. What is this? Is no one trading? ES has better RR, yeah, by a lot. So, but like this candle's not even moving. Like, these candles are not even moving. It looks like, bro. I can't just take this trade. That's not a good short. Let's see. Stay patient here. I will say one thing though. If we do end up closing bearish today, taking shorts tomorrow should be really easy. Um, this looks like it wants to go higher. I don't know. Oh, you're like the best, bro. What is it? You're exactly right. You're exactly right. The good news is even if I don't take another trade or if I lose or win whatever, I know exactly what I'm doing after this. I'm gonna start working on that thing that I was working on. But either way, honestly, I feel like today's a win already, you know? I'm already happy with what's gonna happen today because I know it means I'm gonna work. Interesting. It's not clean delivery. Fair value gap is holding. I don't want it to go too lower because then the RR is messed up. We did get the CISD. I hope it just goes higher and just taps in. Okay, that's good. We want it to go higher at this point because I want a high to be put in to be taken and then to break lower. Like I want this strongly. I don't want like this. I can. What is this? Like I can't trade on that. So like give me a manipulation move and then show the real move after. It's basically what I'm waiting for. Just consolidating right now. Maybe there's no trade, right? It could just keep consolidating. Maybe 1050 is the next opportunity we get. Who knows? Let me check on my stocks. Okay, we got the move higher. AMD's at 167. Roku's at 59. Okay, let's get a move higher. We're making lower highs, but let's see. Let's see. So this short presenting itself off the change in state of delivery, but like it's not a good change. It's not a high probability change in state of delivery. This is just a 1 minute candle that got closed below. Just like this candle that got closed above. This could be good. No, I want it to be directional. I want it to keep going high. Yeah. Let's go. Let's get into this fair value gap. Potentially see a reaction. All right, maybe a little SMT at the highs. Don't just close up. No. I feel like it's gonna close up this fair value gap last second. I'll mark it out. Potential inversion later. I feel like it's gonna close up last second though. All time would be entering with half or 3 points of original risk amount. Yeah, that was the first trade I took. It was like pretty low risk. If we invert this, is that enough? We did take the high here. There's a small SMT. I don't know. Maybe if we displace and create another fair value gap. That's so this would qualify my reversal. If we break lower here, we took the high, we failed to take that one. We inverted the fair value gap. And we created another fair value gap with a market structure shift. If that all happens, sure, I'll take it before it taps in. But it looks like NQ is going to go higher, break the SMT. It doesn't look like that'll happen. Doesn't look like anything's happening. I'm just getting caught in this 1 minute market structure. Yeah, if the inversion, I mean, that's a strong wick. It looks like it's going to come for the high. It's so weak lower. So I want it to come into here now. Let's see. We're going to have to be more patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. You know what's the funny thing about patient is you can be patient for like you can be patient for an hour and 45 minutes, but if you get impatient for just 1 minute, all that patience was for nothing. Patience is only good if you can be patient the entire time. That's the thing about patience. You can wait for the perfect setup for an hour and 45 minutes, but if you end up taking a shitty setup right before your trading ends, all that was for nothing. So let's wait. The question is like, is all-time high in territory for ES? This fair value gap is perfectly at OTE of this swing low. It makes so much sense. We accumulated. What is this? Sorry. Accumulated. This is what we did. Now from here, it makes so much sense that from here, we just go lower. Like, this is the daily candle on ES. And on top of that, there's SMT right here. Like, that's clear as day for me, I feel like. That's clear as day for me. From here, it makes sense that after, yeah, sure, you tap into OTE fair value gap and then go lower. You not only take that low, but you go lower. It just makes too much sense. So let's wait. It's like we re-inverted that fair value gap, but it's just consolidating, so there's nothing to read here. That looks like a very neat setup. Like the ES daily profile fits really nicely. Although I will say the lack of volatility is present. Right, you have FOMC minutes. It's not a full press conference, but they are going to release the minutes and the economic data. So it's not like a full FOMC, but it's definitely going to inject some volatility. And in my opinion, it goes lower. But I'm not gonna. I don't like trading afternoon session. I haven't practiced it enough. I know Nvidia earnings are coming soon. Oh, it's today. Did they come out yet? There's analysts with price targets of 3,000 on Nvidia. Bro, what? That has to be just for show. Like, no way they actually think it's going to 3,000. I mean, maybe in the future. Who the hell's gonna own a Nvidia stock at 3,000? Who's gonna buy a stock at 2,000? Anyways, the SMT is still there. 1016. Oh wait, no, it's not. Sorry, I'm tripping. You know what? I wonder what the Dow is doing. Let's look at the Dow. Pretty much the same as ES. The Dow actually tapped in to its 15-minute fair value gap. And it's playing. Look at that. Tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. Gave another fair value gap off that. Been respecting. Yeah. It hasn't really moved much. Hasn't really moved much. Equal lows are there. I would be scared of this move. Yeah, this is tough. It might just be a no trade day. This is very, 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 very bad. Yeah, that fair value gap's holding, but ideally, it just kind of moves, you know? Is it really just gonna like? It's literally 1 point. It's been trading like here. It's 3 ticks away from the 15-minute fair value gap. Is it really not gonna trade up into there in OTE? Yeah, that would be the best trade. The best thing that could happen is like if it wicks, like it like takes this high, taps in, and then starts to move lower, right? In like the same 1 or 2 candles. That would be the best. Because if it starts throwing like strong bodies inside, I have to question it. Maybe just comes for all-time high at that point. I mean, alternatively, I guess if we inverse this, I know we're in a deep premium, but I feel like all-time high is definitely in question. We could just try to catch a little long from here to here. Everything is down. Like these lows, man, too crisp. Too crisp. I'm just gonna say they're too crisp. You're in a similar sell in GPP, dude. I tried to short GPP, but I couldn't find. I don't know. My setup didn't form, or what was I looking for? I ended up taking a short, and I got like destroyed by this chop, pretty much. I don't know. For me, like these lows on GBP, I thought were gonna get taken out. They just it's a good draw. I looked at that. Yeah, it's interesting. 15 minute. Let me see. Did you short it today? Like here or something, or earlier? Yeah, these lows look good. Hey man, I hope it works out. I was looking for shorts too. OTE and the 15. Was it like this right here? Like what I'm looking at right now? Like basically this? This is basically the exact same thing I'm looking for. Exactly. Yeah, that's really nice actually, yo. I like this short. Yeah, it's really nice. There's a propulsion block in here, right? Like we displaced this candle, came up, displaced this one. Order block of an order block. is a propulsion block. This candle right here, look at that, it's beautiful. Respecting the 50% of that body. Really nice. Yeah, I say at least this low. At least this imbalance. In case your bias is wrong, like it would just at least come to like a discount and then, but even then, like in my opinion, lower. Anyways, let's see. What is this? Why are we just like fading lower now? That's not good. Unless we can use these lows that we picked up. Yeah, I'm just hoping last upside if you guys taken out. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Like if you run through that, then if you can run through that FEG, you're probably good for it to just distribute lower aggressively. And it would fit the profile of a Wednesday reversal too, right? Basically what I'm trying to do. Wednesday reversal. Looks like we might have to wait till 10:50. I wonder what the hourly candle looks like right now. Okay. We're still trading below the hourly FEG and that high that we took out. We did break structure. Looks fake. Similar trades in different periods. Well, I was looking for shorts in GBP, but I'll show you the short that I was looking for. I posted it on my Instagram. Yeah, let me show you here. I posted like my thought process, but I guess I was just wrong. Yo, this guy's funny, bro. Let me show you. How do I get to my profile? Oh. This is I don't know if how clear you can see this, but I thought this was gonna go lower right away, but then it literally chopped around for so long. Like it was right here on GBP. And it chopped around for so long. Literally from Monday or like from Friday all the way to like literally this morning, still chopping. Then Wednesday 2 a.m. took out all the liquidity and it kind of went back like nothing happened into the range. So I thought the analysis was really good. So we'll see. Once it plays out, I'll post it on Instagram and say whether I was right or wrong. Okay, looks like small movement higher. I almost want to like I wouldn't limit order this, but the only question is like I don't even know if there's enough volatility. Like enough volatility to I'm basically saying I'm scared it goes like this and then just like like one of these little staircase downs. Because this is the fair value gap that I'm expecting to propel price. I guess if a 1 minute one, I guess we'll wait. We should see a displacement from it anyway. Just because the trade doesn't play out as being nuts in the market, sometimes it does whatever it wants to do. Yeah, 100%. All right, let's see if we can use this to go higher. Please. Yo, Ham, are you here? My signal bot, my copy trader. Were you trading GBP USD? Oh, that displacement is CTC. Is that like break even, you mean? This is interesting. I don't know if I can take this. I think I should wait. I think I should wait more. Close half edition. Oh, nice, bro. That's really good. This market structure is hurting me. Yeah. Okay. Nice body. Testing our patience. You're right. This is gonna benefit us. Yeah, I don't even care if it gives me a setup. I just wanted to come here just so I can see what happens. You know? Like I just want to know if it's right or wrong. I don't want to sit here all day just to figure out if I was right or wrong. I just want to know what's gonna happen. There is good news though, because if today closes if today closes bearish, um we can anticipate Thursday with pretty high confidence that Thursday will just continue to distribute lower towards that weekly opening. So we have good chances for a higher probability Thursday, which is good. I did lose a trade today though. I don't think you were here. I had a limit order at 9:30 set. And I know usually I've never done that before. But the reason I did that was because earlier this week, and I was expecting a low range day today. Or at least in the AM session, because FOMC, like I didn't expect a big range. Um, but I was expecting lower prices. And because I wasn't expecting that much volatility, I had a limit order set. And the reason I did that was because on Monday there was a nice setup that played out right at 9:30. So I was like, you know what? Small range day. It doesn't need to manipulate that aggressively. So let me take this. Where was this short that I took? I got destroyed. I got literally destroyed. Honestly, can't even find it. How did I take a short? Where did I take a short from? There's Wait, what? I will say I was thinking about taking this one at 940. I'm glad I didn't because I would have got destroyed. So I feel like it's good that I faded this out. I'm happy I faded this out. Where the hell did I take my first short? Whatever I did, it must have been stupid because if I can't even see it right now, I think it was this. I think I literally just took this. Yeah, it was like this 4.5 risk. Yeah, it was 4.5 handles risk, and I wanted to take like this. Something like this. Um, yeah, I took it. I filled that right at 929, and then it just destroyed me so fast. And the reason I did that was because I thought it was just gonna distribute lower right at 930 because of the low range, but no, they went into all-time high. So I got destroyed. Yeah, it would have been that would have made me really happy. Because literally Monday, that's exactly what happened on Monday. Monday, it literally just went like this. Like 9:30 did this little small move and then boom. And never came back. Which I wasn't expecting that, but I was at least expecting it to do like just enough manipulation, which is into the fair value gap, and then you can start distributing lower. So, anyways, this is getting more and more painful. You close above That candle's high. This is horrendous. Yeah, this is horrendous. I think there was news at 10:30. Crude oil inventories. Sure. PMI 945. You know, I'm usually really good at trading when there's PMI. For some reason, I catch nice wins when there's 945 PMI. I don't know why. I just something I noticed random. It could just be random. Everyone's man. It's tough. It's tough. I need my breakthrough. You know, I know it's coming. At least we were patient, right? And I expected this chop because of FOMC minutes in the PM. The analysis top notch in that time is high. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, what did I just say? I forget. Oh, PMI. Yeah. Yeah. Usually my analysis is really good, I feel like, but I guess I still struggle with executing. I guess that's just with time, right? I know my model, I can read price really well, but maybe I haven't taken enough trades to be like, yeah, not this setup, not this setup, which is what I was working on actually. So I'll get back to you when I finish that. I'll send you. What's your Discord out of curiosity? With that, execution will be smooth. Yeah, I'll know like I know exactly what I want, but I guess sometimes that's just. Uh, are you in my Discord server? I'm gonna have to find you because I don't know how to. I'm not really good with Discord, to be honest. Let me see if I can. Oh, you just sent. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna add you. I'm gonna add you. I'm gonna send you what I'm working on. All right, we'll wait till 10:50, 11:10. Our last chance. Maybe the macro can deliver. But to be honest, I feel like it's gonna deliver higher at this point. Maybe that move lower is not in the scope for this session, and they're gonna save it for if it does happen, and they might save it for FOMC minutes. So I'm starting to question if I want to see like maybe a manipulation move lower, but that's not a part of my model. My model is very specific. It's bias. Once I have bias, I'm bearish. If I'm trading against my bias, I don't have a section of my model that is counter bias. Midnight opening price. We're above it and I'm bearish. So what I need to happen, since we're above it, I need to see a buy side taken and then reverse. If we're below it, then I need to see IRL. So yeah, we can chill. Yeah, 100%. You're right. You're right. But I think I'm gonna I'll stick to this. If it can deliver here, We can see what we get. It's all-time high. Let's put ES on this because I'm probably going to be trading ES. Unless the setup forms on ES and the same time NQ, like ES comes here, NQ like takes a high or something and then reverses like this high right here. Then maybe. But I'm more focused on ES. Trading into the fair value gap. Delivering into that fair value gap means the instrument range is being taken out, and the end version would be awesome. Wait, hold on. Let me try to understand what you're saying here. You're talking about this fair value gap? Like if we did this? Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like maybe if I feel like when I put notions like this, increases the chances of something happening. I don't know. We're approaching that macro time. Nine more minutes. I got big things coming, man. I'm telling you right now. I know I said this about May, and honestly, just even though May I haven't really been profitable yet. I mean, there's still time. 2 trades and I'll be in profit. 1 trade I'll be in. Honestly, no, I would not be break even in 1 trade. 2 trades and I'll be break even. It depends on the trade, obviously, but I have to I have to size down my risk because I only have 1,000 to work with now. So I definitely need to size down to like 150, maybe 200, but ideally like 100, 150 per risk per trade. Usually I risk 200 to 300, but I can't do 250 or 200. That only gives me 5 trades. Which if I don't win one in 5 trades, maybe I deserve to blow my account. I don't know, man. But that's a lot of losses in a row. I would be 3 and 12. The 25% win rate. We'll win. So yeah, I'm gonna size down my risk. Like maybe risk 150. That gives me 9. That gives me like 10 trades. 300, 600. Yeah, that's the thing too. Like, right? Like sometimes, yeah, you're aiming for 2R, but sometimes it'll just distribute. Like this setup, for example, if this plays, I'm expecting these lows to get taken. Maybe I'm not gonna hold my whole TP here, but maybe a runner or something. Now this is questionable. Dude, these candlesticks are atrocious. Can I take something like this? I don't know. That is a pretty strong displacement. Which is what I've been waiting for. Is this takeable? There's a small SMT. We didn't take out any highs. All we did was displace lower. I don't think I can take this. I don't think I can. That's a strong displacement though. If NQ can't break below that low, I'm not gonna take it. Because this just could be what I said earlier, where like it just comes like this, just to go higher. And then what really is gonna happen is it delivers higher on the macro. I can't take this. It manipulated the wrong way. It's tempting though. Let's just see. We're gonna have to sit out and see. Thank you, brother. I don't think I can take this, but let's see what happens. If we inverse this. What's up, JP? Nah, but I'm not trading, bro. I'm just losing. Just losing. I'm waiting for 1050 macro, see if it delivers anything. Took the morning off. It's a good idea. FOMC minutes. I might look to take this. Same old, bro. Same old. Same old. But I'm chilling. How are you, bro? I've been working on something that I think's really gonna help me. So I'm excited to do that. What I'm looking for, I don't like this. I don't like this setup. Because of the SMT here now, we didn't even close below the low that aggressively. Yeah, NQ didn't even take the low, so I can't take that displacement. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. That must be really hard for her, bro. A loss must be like so much worse. We are respecting the 50%. Respecting the 50% really nicely. You're back. That's good, man. You're trading PM session today? There's FOMC minutes. You might get a good setup at like 2:30. This is the homie Kumar, bro. This guy's like my like virtual model, making sure I follow my shit. That's actually really really helpful. This might play out. I might trade PM with you, bro. If I can make it home in time, I might on my combines. I gotta pass those. If I could make it home, but I'm not gonna do it on my fund. I don't know. I don't like trading PM on my funded. But I can't handle the loss. But on my combines, I gotta pass those. I gotta take trades. I gotta pass them or blow them and get another one. Cause the longer I just have one, you have 1,000 left, bro. You're the freaking go, bro. You're the freaking go, bro. Yeah, I'll come. I'll come signal you, bro. I mean, I'll come. I'll come receive signals. You guys, PM master, pretty much. Most traders avoiding the AM today, trading the PM. I'm just looking, bro. I need your signals, bro. If you took all my signals, you would be hella negative, bro. $10.50. Let's see. Let's see. I was considering if we inverse this to take something like this, to be honest. Yeah. So far in May, I've had 10, 11, 11 trading days so far in May. If you feel it's not safe to enter from here, but take entry from the breaker block. I always think about that. Yeah. The breaker is always so safe. But like in my opinion, it's gonna deliver higher. It's gonna deliver higher to this, right? If it's gonna go lower, it's gonna go lower from here. So that's why I was considering like a long scalp like this or something. Literally 2.4R, 3 handles. I wouldn't be surprised at all if this plays out. I think it'll play, but I'm not gonna take it. But I'd be breaking my model if I did. But let's see. Oh, nice reaction on NQ. Maybe coming for those equal lows. Yeah. 1050 macros. No, there's no news. This whole chop is because there's news at 2. High impact news. So he's got a notification. That's it. Look at that candle flipped. Just gonna watch, see what happens the last 10 minutes. Oh, GBP dropped below. The bullish one? Oh, nice, yeah. No, that is strong. I mean, it's not strong, but it's a clean inverse. I would expect at least. I would expect at least 50%. Maybe even into this OTE, like just in case you're wrong, right? Like this could happen. But no, the higher time frame is clean. Hopefully we can take out sell side from here and deep premium. But I would expect at least this area. And then maybe even lower for these lows. Order block, off another order block. Assuming this forms. And then we'll just hold it. That's good, bro. That's a clean trade. I mean, technically that's not a propulsion block, but I mean it is. It's just so shitty, so weak. I don't think much is gonna happen. We're just gonna consolidate until FOMC, and then I anticipate a big move lower, which is why I might trade it, because if in PM we get something like this, I'll take it in the PM. Not on my funded, but I'll take it on my challenge accounts. I gotta pass those if I have enough time to. I don't think there's anything I can trade here. Let's go. Oh, it was. Thank you. Just journaling. Good work. Man, where's this slump is I'm probably not taking another trade today, by the way. Like that's probably it for me. Minus 104 on the day. I took a low risk trade, tried to get high reward, low risk. I accepted. Do I regret it? Maybe. I don't know. Who knows? I think it was a good trade. I'd probably take it again. So not mad about that. And all in all, our patience was pretty good, right? We faded out some setups, right? We were considering to taking this. We didn't take it, so it's good. And then obviously we had this at 950. We also didn't take this. We never know. Maybe from tomorrow we might start. Exactly, bro. You never know. Although technically, this did play out. Oh no, it didn't. It would have got stopped out so fast. Yeah. So there were two setups. I mean, that's not really a setup, really. But we managed to fade out some setups. Like I said, the higher delivery is coming right now, right? So I did kind of expect that. But yeah, at least we've managed to fade out some setups, and the patience was good. Unfortunately, we did end up a little bit negative, but at this point, another $100 negative is not gonna change much. I don't remember if I adjusted that number or not. So yeah, it looks like that long is playing out now. So yeah, it's hindsight now. Maybe we could have taken it. I'm curious if we took one contract, it would have been 162. So we would have ended slightly profitable. Um, assuming it hits TP, that is, which I think it will. Are we in short territory? Is the question. I don't think I can take a trade at this point. No. The move didn't happen. Yeah, if we went 2 contracts on this, 325 could have ended with a nice profit on the day. That's pretty confidently gonna hit. So, but that's breaking my model. Even though I kind of knew that was gonna happen. It's just one of those ones where like, this candle is probably gonna get displaced and it's gonna go up from there. Just final 1.67 R last trade. Good thing he did not enter. Yeah. It's good that we saw this coming. I'm happy that we were able to recognize it, right? That's like TP, you would probably TP there one and then hold if you wanted to. But honestly, I think it's gonna take out the high all the way. Because making profits without our setup is a loss. Exactly, bro. Exactly. That's not a win. That's a gamble. I don't have room. Like you can't put a trade like this into a model. Like what is this? This is like I can't explain this in simple terms. I can't take a trade like this. Like the only way I could say this is like how do you explain this trade setup? Like you can't, right? I just know that at this point it's likely to take that high rather than go lower. Like besides the 1 minute market structure inversion that didn't even occur until like after, by the way. I can't explain this. Besides the 1 minute market structure, right? The SMT, we took the low, swept, didn't displace. We stayed. I think besides that, there's the 1 minute candle that got displaced. Created another 1 minute candle, also got displaced. At this point, the drawn liquidity is higher time frame, 15 minute. Right, we're expecting that 15 minute fair value gap to get tapped in, which is a drawn liquidity, and then also just this high. Okay, I guess I just explained it, but it would be breaking my model anyways. I'm gonna show you my exact model. Once I'm done, Kumar, what I'm working on, I'm gonna show you. You can let me know if you have any inputs too. But like it's like step by step, every single thing. So like for example, today I was bearish. Price was above midnight opening, so I was waiting for a liquidity sweep. If it's below midnight opening and I'm bearish, then I look for internal range liquidity pool to get hit. So for ES, that's what I was waiting for. Never happened, so didn't trade ES. For NQ, we did take external range liquidity, and I went for a short and I got stopped. So we followed the model. But yeah, I think we're done. I still think this will deliver higher. Right, yes, NQ respecting the 1 minute bullish fair value gap here. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. I think these highs are coming still. Closing above these down close candles. Something like this. We even put on some standard deviations on this. Anyways, I'm done for today. I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna work on my refining. I enjoy life. I enjoy life today. I got some stuff to do. Tomorrow, hopefully things go better. Hopefully, eventually, we're gonna stay patient. One day, things will go better. Everything's gonna be good. We're chilling. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. By you guys, I mean Kumar for sure, and anyone else who wants to come. So I'm gonna see you, Kumar. I'm gonna send you that thing when I'm done. I'm gonna send you that thing. It's coming, bro. And you know what? It's coming, and I want you to be a part of it. That's all I'm saying, bro. Like I'm gonna flip things around. Yeah, I'm gonna start winning. Cause right now, all I'm posting on my YouTube video is losses. Like, I have like one good solid win, and I will say, a lot of my losses were just trade management. They were just trade management, and I could have avoided them, and I could be profitable right now, but minus 280, minus 107, minus 150, minus 140, minus 212, 85, and then yesterday hurt. Yesterday hurt right here. Yesterday, Oh, you took that long, JP? Good for you, bro. You took that long? I was considering it, but... And there it is. I'm a little short on the TP, but there it is, delivered perfectly, as we said. So, could have caught a really nice trade there. It's just one of those where, like, you kind of know where it's going to go, but... So there'll be a video where it's a plus 1500, man. You're right, bro. And I want you to be there. That's all I'm saying, bro. Because I like it when someone sticks through the struggles. Not a trade I would take on that PO. On the pro. Oh, yeah. What the hell am I saying? Yeah. Maybe I should have taken out my funded, but I mean my combine, but all the same, right? There's TP on ES. So we read price pretty well today, I would say. You have an event or something coming up? Event in my Discord? What do you mean event? FOMC, bro? You want bro to be there? Nah, bro, this guy Kumar, bro, like he stays in my streams even though I'm losing. So when I start winning, I'm saying I hope that he's there. You know, I feel like we're both gonna be happy. You know, I feel like he'll genuinely be like, no, that's all I'm saying. No event, but I know the wins are coming soon. You know, they're gonna start stacking up. The wins are gonna start stacking up. So yeah. I will definitely be there, my man, for the losses and the wins. That's what I'm saying, bro. Me and you, JP, bro. It's coming. But you winning, bro. You winning. What you mean you bet for the wins? You already winning, bro. That passes funded. I'm gonna have to go for the PM. I'll go for the PM on my combine, see if I can get closer to passing. But today was good, you know. We built some discipline, we built some patience, and I think that's the main thing to take away from today. Let me quickly figure that I'm in hella drawdown. Like you're in the negatives. Bro. Wait, you have 6 past? That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. That's insane. Good for you, man. You know what? I am curious about one thing though. We just tapped in, finally, to the 15-minute fair value gap on ES. You have 700 left. Like 700 drawdown. 700 to work with. So not only do we take TP, we hit TP2 on that long to work with. I feel you, bro. I have only one funded. It has 1060 to work with. And my combines I've seen better. I can't lie. My combines are not. My combines are going through it. My combines are going through it. This account is going through it. My equity curve is looking like a wiggly noodle. All right, and it's not stiff. It's not stiff. My equity curve is not the best. Let me show you guys actually. Let's look at my. I don't know if I don't want to leak any information. Let me log into my Top Step. Let me see the equity curve. Let's look at the stats so far. Let's see what my win rate is. Let's see how much I'm averaging per trade. It's all thanks to Gatie Trades, Lunar. Kumar, Kumar's the best, bro. All right, let's see this. Why do I have? What is this? Why are they still here? Anyways, this is my express funded. Okay, this is the equity curve. Yeah, like is this the equity curve? Which one's the equity curve? I've never done this before. All time. Which one's balanced? Okay, let's look at the gray one. That's the one that matters. We started negative 700. This is when I used to risk too much. So started negative 700, positive 1600, $30, and then boom. Look at that win streak though. 3 days. We racked up amazing trades, bro. All the way to 3,700, right? We took a little payout. Yeah, look at that little $34 loss, $200 loss, $150 loss. I don't want to talk about this. I made a mistake on this day. I accidentally entered with minis instead of micros, and I lost $1,000 and hit my daily loss limit. That was a bad mistake. I lost $1,000 that day, and then I kind of went downhill. Came back, boom. Keep in mind that this is my risk management was not that good here. It's over here where like, see how I'm losing every single day? But I'm surviving, bro. Like I'm a survivor. It's so much better. Like it's so much better to pull out from the. Anyways, got back up to 3,000. Oh, this is where I took my payout. So 3,500. Took a payout right there. Went back. Oh no, sorry. I took the payout here. Took the payout here. I don't know. Maybe it was 2 payouts. Honestly, I don't even remember at this point. But this is where we're. Oh, look, it just slowly goes down and down. Wait, this doesn't even make sense, bro. Why does it say my balance is 1,700? It didn't update. It should be lower. Yeah, I will say for someone that took 39 trades, 39 trading days, we're surviving, bro. And now when I got this account, I made myself 2 rules, 2 goals. Okay, first goal. Don't blow the account. The second goal was get 30 winning days. 30 winning days. Total, we have, I guess, 13. I don't know if that's total. I don't know how to check. But I guess that would make sense because it says winning days, 41% win rate, right? That's what that means. My win rate's 41 in total. Which is not bad considering the last. Like, I'm 3-7 in May so far. Or 3-8 now. So we're surviving. This is gonna go a little bit lower now. Day 39. So yeah, day 40. But we're surviving. So let's see. We're down 460 on the week. It's basically from one day that messed us up. My average losing day is $400. That's too much. I think that 1,000 really affected it, like early on. My risk management wasn't good, so at least we developed some good risk management. Yeah, it says we started with 116, but I'm actually at 106 now. Like, see, my best day was 19 because I risked 400 on a trade and caught like 5R. It's a really good trade. My average winning day is still better than my average losing. Let's see if we can. Okay, my reward to risk is, what is that? 2.5. Wait, average winning trade 600, average losing 235. My average risk to reward is 2.5, and I think my win rate's 35. Is that what it's trying to say? Number of winning trades out of all your trades. Yeah, so 35% win rate of all days, but overall for days is 41%. So, because sometimes I take multiple trades in one day, right? Like sometimes in one day I'll lose two, win one, but it's still profitable. For example, um, so total trades 2.1. What does that mean? Winning trade 34.57%. So show the success for each position. So each position I have a 34% chance of winning, which is not bad, not bad. Considering the RR is a little like, my goal though, I'm not lying. My goal is like 66%. I want 66% win rate with 2R. So a little bit decrease my RR. Right now it's 2.5. I want like I mean, obviously, the more RR, the better. I'm not saying I want 2R, not 2.5. But I want a 66% win rate. I want to win more. Instead of like win big but win less. I'd rather win more personally. So I'm kind of like trying to refine my stuff. I'm working on it. Um, I'm total $43 profit. What does that mean? Is this for the week or something? This is for the week, I think. I don't know if this is total. I'm on average averaging $20 per trade. So since I've taken 40 trades, I'm currently $800 in profit, bro. You catch a lot of winning. That's what I was thinking. But you know what, Kumar? Let me ask you something. There's this one question I have that I don't think anyone can answer, and I maybe my backtest can answer. But yo, bro, frick ES, bro. What is this? This is the worst. ES has a negative 170. My Nasdaq is way better. Bro, Nasdaq is way better than ES. What about micros? Yeah. Overview. But my performance on Nasdaq is way better than ES. I don't know if that matters. Like if it's just maybe I haven't taken enough to even know. But we're surviving. Let me ask you, Kumar. I have a question, bro. My question is, do I take this short? No, I'm joking. That's not my question. My question is, I want a 2R, right? If I cut down my RR, like my if I'm like searching for setups that are 2R minimum, the issue with that is sometimes, for example, like let's just say hypothetically this short right now. This is 4.75R. This low is 1.5, so I'm not gonna aim for that. These lows are 2.17. But like this trade, I'm aiming for this. So do I just like I guess this one doesn't really make sense. Like let's go to the 3 minute. Maybe I can show the example on the 3 minute. No, it's still there. Let's go to the 5 minute. Okay, perfect. Let's just say for example, Kumar, I'm on this trade on the 5 minute. The only low that's here that I can like logically take profit is 3R. So my question to you is, do I just say, you know what? I don't care if there's a low or a PD array or just TP 2R, just whatever. Just take the 2R and walk away. Like to me, that doesn't really make sense because like if I'm right about this trade, it should come here. If I'm wrong about the trade, it shouldn't come here. But then again, I also have to consider like, yeah, maybe it can come here, but maybe not in this exact trade. Maybe it'll do something like this. You know? So my drawn liquidity is right, but it doesn't mean I won't get stopped out before. So like, what do I do? That's my question. Do I just fix 2R, take my 2R and walk away no matter what? That's an option. It's not a bad option. Logical. It's got to be logical, and I think partials is what's gonna like. I think the answer to my question is partials. I think. I think that's the answer. That's good that you have a fixed. I like that. Like a fixed 50%, 20%. I like that. I don't have that. I don't have that. For me, right now, my only thing is like I look to close out my position, or at least the bulk of it, at the first PD array at 2R. That's what I do. So for example, if I entered this short like this, the first PD array at 2R is like, I would say like this low right here. I would either just TP at this low. Let's just say my stop loss was here. So this is the first PD array at 2R. So I would just look to close either here or like close almost all of it and then leave a runner for the low. Like just hypothetically speaking. So I guess I gotta work on my trade management for sure. And the thing is, that's not something you can backtest because like at least now with Forex replay, my performance overall, my performance is good. You're right. Overall, I guess like the issue I'm coming to you with is like, let's just say hypothetically, I closed every single position at exactly 2R. Just get out. My win rate would be a lot higher. Another option is if it hits 2R, just break even. But sometimes the break even doesn't make sense, you know? Like it hit 2R, sure, but the break even level is like somewhere it could totally go to without, you know, like it could hit, you know what I'm saying? Like it could still play out if it hits my break even. Like it doesn't make sense. So like I just gotta figure out that balance. Like I gotta figure out the balance of what I want. Like, do I break even at 2R? Do I just take the profits at 2R? Do I take off half at 2R? Do I look at the first PD array at 2R or greater? That's what I'm doing. So the first low, like if I'm in a short, the first low, 2R, just get out. But then sometimes I'm like, you know what? Like, it looks like it's gonna go a lot lower, you know? Like, sometimes the first low is too far. Like, I think I just gotta figure these things out. Yeah, try break even. Like, break even at 2R versus. I think if the goal is to increase my win rate, breaking even at 2R is not bad. Some trades I'll get stopped out break even, right? And it'll still play. I don't like that. Maybe let's say at 2R, like at least reduce my risk. If I'm in a short, move it to the most recent swing high. If I'm in a long, most recent swing low. I could do that. Um, Obviously I know how to trail my stop. I mean, I'm not the best at it, but like if we start taking lows, obviously I'm gonna trail my stop. Like if I'm in this short and we take this low, I'm gonna trail my stop right here at that high. So yeah, I am profitable. It's been a tough couple weeks, you know. The reason I'm profitable is because I was doing so good early on. It's been tough since, but I'm here. I'm still here, and I kind of want to go. Like right now in May, I'm not profitable. In March, in April, I ended break even. All of this is just to make a little more. Yeah, you're right. But I'm not that profitable because of this, like how it's been so far. Like I'm averaging $20 per trade average. So I guess that's profitable over 40 trades. Yeah, it's not bad. I know it could be a lot better. Your curve is great. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that. It's not bad. Yeah, it's just been tough. I guess maybe I'm not even remembering that like just because it's been tough. Anyway, that short that we wanted played out. Remember, so it tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. I'll just show you quick. Like you're curious. 15-minute fair value gap. It tapped in. That's your change of state in delivery. Stop loss at the high. That's 1.8 R right there. That's 2.25 R. Because I put my stop loss at that candle. I guess it's with ES. It's not that clean. So I'll just put it there. Yeah. So played out. This was the trade we wanted all day. So not the cleanest, but it's the scalp that I wanted. I expected it to be something small like this, and obviously these lows, maybe in the PM, we'll see. Why did we not take this? It's already 11:30 for me. I don't like to trade like 10:50 to 11:10 is my last last opportunity. I don't like trading past 11:30. I've never really tested it. Sometimes it does work, but it's just too late. Like it did end up playing out, but like for example, sure, it could have just went higher. It could have just consolidated. It's lunch, but it played out, so the idea was right. I'm happy to miss a move if it's past 11. Like I'm not gonna be like, oh, I missed the move. No, it's past 11. Like it's whatever. It should have happened earlier. If I wanted it to happen earlier, you know. But let's see. Maybe something in the PM like this. All right, we take out some lows, fall back, take out lunch high, like this high, retrace, breaker block, something. Maybe something like this for FOMC. We'll see if it forms. Anyways, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, hopefully. Anyone else here? I don't think anyone else is. So I'm gonna head out. I'll make the video later on. I appreciate you joining, man. I'm gonna see you, and I'm gonna send you that thing if I finish it. So just look out for it. If you get a message on Discord, it's probably me, unless you have a lot of people messaging you. Anyway, peace out, brother. Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow. We got this.